We listen and we don't judge. And from what I've heard, some of you all like sneezes. So I shall provide. Okay? Okay. It is happening. Whoo! Fuck. I was trying to do some Duolingo. And it is not going very well. Y'all, it's happening again. Maybe it's better now. Is it? It tickles. Why? I'm just waiting. It's not done. Why can't it be done? Fuck. I don't know why the tongue out helps. It like blocks it.
Oh my gosh.
I held that one in for so long. That was in honor of my video hitting over 10,000 views. More sneezes, you're welcome.
Oh my god, here. Oh my god, I'm gonna blow my nose, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. And it said it was gonna make me sneeze again. That's so weird. Honestly, next, that's weird. I'm gonna sneeze again, let me grab it. You guys, I'm really sick right now. Sneeze again.
What was that? Did you see that? How cute and small and petite that little sneeze. Oh my god, are you recording? That's such a cute, small, petite sneeze.
Your worst nightmare is sneezing.
Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze.
Excuse me. Parating magayang mukha ko. Pestos, that is insane. 80. Excuse me. Sorry na, hatching ako. It's allergy season, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. My goodness.
So then
Philipp und ich sind gerade, also Philipp ist gerade fertig mit Schminken. Und wir haben uns gerade so gefreut, weil es sieht so schön aus. Ach. manche Leute finden das dumm und oberflächlich und girly, aber ich liebe das.